With all the excitement and nervousness of packing your life into boxes and moving it to your new home, the last thing you want to do is clean out the old place. It's best to start your deep clean when you've already moved your stuff out. This way there's less clutter to move around and you can focus on the cleaning. Let's start with the basics. You'll have to clean items you've probably never cleaned before, including ceiling fans, light fixtures, heating vents, and window coverings. Start your cleaning efforts at the top of a room, moving onto the walls, windows, and floor. We're guessing you've probably hung a few pictures and left a few scuffs on the walls. You can tackle the scuff marks with a damp magic eraser, which can be found at any grocery store. This works wonders on walls. After cleaning the walls, you can remove any nails and screws in the wall and patch any holes larger than a nail. Clean each window inside and out. This includes the tracks, too. Baseboards are easy to forget, but they should be cleaned too. Give your carpets a thorough vacuum and mop all floors. Let's look at the bathroom. The bathroom needs special attention because of its damp nature. Scrub and disinfect the taps, sinks, shower, and tub. You can avoid soap residue by rinsing bathtubs and ceramic tile thoroughly. Tip: you can clean a shower head by pouring baking soda and vinegar into a plastic bag and hanging it over the shower head. Leave it overnight and the shower head will be squeaky clean. Remember to give the tiles some love. Scrub everything and not just the ones on the floor or in the shower. Squirt toilet cleaner along the inside of the toilet's rim and scrub down the bowl with a toilet brush. Flush it when you're done. Clean and polish mirrors and any metallic surfaces like the taps, shower head, and drain grates. Finally, clean out and empty any cabinets, remembering to dust the top. Now let's move to the kitchen. This is the most important and probably the most used room in your suite. The fridge and freezer should be empty and food crumbs should be removed. We are all guilty of letting our ovens get dirty. Whether your oven has large deposits of grime, grease, or burnt food, you need to give it a good clean. Remove the shelves from the oven and soak them in warm, soapy water. Spray or sponge an oven cleaner product into the corners of the oven and leave the solution to soften any stubborn burnt-on food. Your oven door should also be nice and shiny. If it has a light, check that it's working. Over time, the dishwasher can trap grease, soap scum, and leftover foods. Start by removing the racks and utensil holders. Check if there are any food or soap buildups and clean them. Disinfect the interior of the dishwasher with a white vinegar and water solution and use a baking soda paste for any tough stains. Don't forget to clean behind and under the appliances too, as this often gets forgotten. When wiping down countertops and cabinets, remember the edges of doors, as well as inside cupboards and drawers. Once you've done everything else, polish up the sink and faucet. If you have a washer and dryer, you should remove all dust and lint from the machine. Now let's do some final checks. The outside of the suite should look just as perfect as the inside. Scrub and clean any paths, driveways, patios, and balconies, and remove any personal items. Look for any garbage, such as cigarette butts, bottle caps, and other small items, and remove them. Don't forget to replace any missing and burned out bulbs, and make sure your smoke or CO2 alarms are working. With your suite returned to its initial condition, it's time to have your customer service representative perform the final inspection. Your customer service representative will do their best to schedule a time that works for you. The final inspection must be done on or before the last day of the month. Customer service representatives are available to do a pre-walkthrough before the date of final inspection. After your customer service representative completes the final inspection with you, you can hand over your keys and make your way over to your new home. Thanks for being a part of our Boardwalk family. We wish you years of happiness in your new home.